Hello friends, welcome to my channel Electrical Master. This video we are going to discuss about cathodic protection. So what is cathodic protection and how we are doing this cathodic protection? What are the types and entire thing we will going to discuss, and additionally I'm going to share that salary for the cathodic protection technician details also we are going to see this video. So if you are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe and click the bell icon, then you will get our updated notifications. Let's go to the video. Cathodic protection. What is cathodic protection? We need to understand first the basics. Actually, this cathodic protection, it is that technique, or we can say it is a phenomena or method to prevent any metallic structure placed in the underground. For example, like this gas pipeline, it's normally placed in the underground of that underground. Its underground method is placed. So due to that oxidation, we know oxidation. So due to that oxidation, this pipeline there is chance to get corrode. So the pipeline, if it is getting corrode, it will chance to leakage the gases. Similarly, this consider this diesel tank or gas tank or any oil tank. Okay, if continuously we are keeping the water inside this tank, so due to the oxidation, the tank there is chance to get corroded and it will leak that oil or leak that gas. So how we can avoid this corrosion? This that avoiding corrosion, the technique it is called cathodic protection. Understand, this is the concept. So how we can do this cathodic protection to protect any pipeline or a tank farm or any vessels in the placed in the underground? That is we are going to see now. For cathodic protection, we need to understand one more concept is anode, because anode is here the major role in this cathodic protection systems. We know anode it is normally positive in nature. So this anode it will help to prevent this piping structure or any metallic structure getting corroded. So now detailedly we will see how this anode is helping to preventing any metallic structure. We will see. Before that, before we are going to see that how this cathodic protection working, we need to understand what are the components involving in this cathodic protection. You can see this picture. You can find here there will be some rectifier unit are there and anode system is there. Some cables are there. Similarly, the major components are same: transformer, rectifier, anode, junction box and cable. Maybe you have the doubt why we need here transformer. In generally, if you are seeing the pipelines, in mostly these pipelines are placed in the open area, like desert area. They are placing that pipeline in the underground field. So there we cannot take direct electrical supply from that higher voltages. That's why we are using the transformer to connect that higher voltage to the transformer to step down into the required output voltage. In that CP system, mostly we are using 24 volt DC. That's why we are connecting, for example, 415 volt or 440 volt AC in the primary side. Secondary it will convert to the 24 volt AC, and again that 24 volt AC will be connected to the rectifier unit. This is also inside this transformer rectifier unit package system. So the rectifier will convert the 24 volt AC into 24 volt DC. That 24 volt DC will be connected to this junction box. From this junction box, there will be positive and negative 24 volt will be there. That positive directly will connect to the anode of the system. See here, this is the anode. These anodes we are installing underground. We are installing the near to that protection structure. Maybe it is a pipeline. If you want to prevent the corrosion, means you have to place this anode near to the minimum 10 meter clearance, you have to install this anode system install in the underground, maybe a depth of 1 or 2 meter inside. Dig it, and you have to place this anode. From the anode, all the positive tail cables all are connected to this junction box positive, and negative of the junction box will be directly connected to the protected structure. You can see this picture, maybe you will get clear idea. See here, this is the pipeline. This pipeline we want to prevent the corrosion. So this unit is a transformer rectifier unit. So from here positive and negatives come out. So this positive will be directly connected to the anode. So anode will be placed minimum some 10 meter, or based on the installation technique we have to keep the distance, and minimum 2 meter inside that ground we are excavated and we place this anode. So anode positive cable all are connected, combined together, get it to the single cable. It will be connected to the positive of the DC supply, like that way. So negative of the DC supply will be directly connected to the body of this pipeline structure. Maybe it could be welding or something, they will connect in the pipeline. So now we will see how it is working. Normally this anode in the positive in nature. Okay, so this metallic structure act like a negative. So what will happen, this anode is a positive and this structure is negative. So anode will lose their electron, so the positive current will flow from the bottom side. It will going to connect the pipeline. Again it's returned back to the source. So like this circle, it is continuously turn on. From that, it's from the positive supply, if it is going here, so electron will already this negative. So from the positive it is going, there also will be electron. Those electrons will be combined in the one side, and the positive again return back to here. Similarly, we are applying the external DC supply also there. So the external DC supply positive is connected to that anode and negative is connected to this metallic structure. So negative will be automatically placed in the one side. So this entire pipeline will act like a cathode, because it's carrying only the negative, and this anode is acting like a positive. So always the circle, it's continuous. This pipeline is having some minor amount of current is placed in this entire metallic structure. Because of that minor current, it's prevent the oxidation. So instead of getting that oxidation in the pipeline, that oxidation will be take over to the anode. So anode will lose their electron and it is getting corrode, and it's prevent the pipeline. This is the concept of CPE is working. In this way, you can prevent any pipeline metallic structure or any underground metallic structure. You can easily prevent from the corroded using these CP systems. Next we will see what are the types of cathodic protections available. There are two types of cathodic protections are there. One is sacrificial anode system. Another one is impressed current anode system. This impressed current anode means we are applying external DC supply to the anode, and the anode will lose their positive current to the metallic structure and it return back to the source. This way it is prevent the corrosion. This method only we are discussing now. This method it is called the impressed current anode system. In mostly oil and gas industry we are using this technique only. And another method, if you are seeing, that is the sacrificial anode system. Sacrificial anode means there will be no any external power supply. Just this anode is placed near to the pipeline, and this anode and the protected pipeline structure will be directly connected through the cable wire. You can see here both are directly connected. So nature of the anode property positive and pipeline will be negative, so current will flow from the positive to negative. So positive current will flow to the cathodic structure and it return back to the source. So it's always cathodic will be placed some negative current, so it will not get corroded. So positive supply present in that anode will be get corroded. This method is the sacrificial anode system, because anode is sacrificed. But this is the older type of method. Mostly we are using this impressed current anode system. It's more efficient than So these are the types of cathodic protection. Now we will see the application of cathodic protection system. This cathodic protection system majorly we are using in oil and gas industry, because oil and gas industry, mostly we are handling through its pipelines and storage tank. So it's mostly we are using CP protection there. And marine industry for shipping protection. Offshore oil and gas, offshore platform, it's continuously placed in this seawater. So due to that seawater, there is chance for getting its pipe metallic structures getting corroded. For installing this CP protection, it will prevent this platform in that place in the seawater. You can see here same setup, that positive is connected to the anode system. Anode is placed in the sea. So anode positive current will place to enter to that metallic structure and return back to the source and prevent this metallic structure getting corroded. And also bridges built in the sea, river and water environment, it protect this corrosion from the corrosion of that bridges from this sea environment and water environment. CP systems are used. And harbor structures. So mostly CP system is one of the major technique we are using in everywhere in this most of the industries. And that's why I'm suggesting this cathodic protection system. It is a very good job opportunity in the market. So guys, just trying this cathodic protection. If you are working as a electrical technician or electrical foreman or these jobs, you can just focus on the CP system, because here the job opportunity will be more. For that you have to do the CP protection courses and get the certificate, and you have to have this basic idea, then you can approach that jobs. Because in Middle East, mostly they are paying very high salary for the CP technician compared to the normal electrician jobs. So it's a better opportunity. It's here in the CP system. Just try it out. So that is the video for today. I hope you will enjoy and you will understand this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends over it's working in electrical. Just share with them, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.